You spend hours walking every day, track every step obsessively, even push for the difficult magic number 10,000 steps. Yet your body hardly changes, and most of you still hit plateaus. Frustrating, right? It's not your fault. Your body is literally programmed to adapt. The more you walk, the more efficient your gait becomes. Your cardiovascular system adjusts, and suddenly the same 10,000 steps don't give you the same benefits. It's the law of diminishing returns. But here's the catch. Japanese researchers headed by Hiroshi Noze, an exercise physiologist at Shinshu University Graduate School of Medicine in Japan, discovered a smarter scientific way to walk, one that delivers twice the results in half the time without counting steps. It's called interval walking training, or IWT, and almost no one outside Japan is talking about it. Even more surprising, people who do IWT don't just lose weight. They showed a 29 times boost in aerobic fitness, a 10 times improvement in leg strength, and a 3 times improvement in blood pressure, all in as little as 30 minutes. Perfect for busy bros and ESs like us. So what's the secret? And no, it's not about walking more. It's about walking smarter. You don't need fancy gear, a treadmill, or a gym membership. I've done the testing for you. Here are the 5 science-backed steps under the Japanese walking trick that work smarter, not harder to burn fat, boost stamina, and break plateaus. But if you miss even one, especially the last, your progress might fall apart. Let's break it down so you can start today stress-free. Step 1. Why 10,000 steps isn't enough. 10,000 steps is still a fantastic target, but it takes around 1 to 2 hours a day of intentional movement. Yes, studies show that people who walked 10,000 steps reduced obesity risk by 31%. However, it is surprisingly difficult to get 10,000 steps walking. Sure, it's better than being sedentary, but here's the catch. Your body adapts over time. Those same steps burn fewer calories, improve your fitness less, and eventually lead to a plateau. It's like trying to get stronger by lifting the same dumbbell for months. At first it works, then progress just stalls. But this Japanese protocol is just 30 minutes. And for busy people, dedicating 2 hours every single day, unrealistic. That's why Japanese researchers flipped the script. Instead of chasing endless steps, they designed a 30-minute walking protocol that outperforms traditional walking. Step 2. The Japanese breakthrough interval walking training, IWT. Back in 2007, Japanese scientists studied a method called interval walking training, or IWT. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of walking endlessly at the same pace, you switch between 3 minutes of slow walking and 3 minutes of fast walking, repeating this cycle 5 times. That's it, 30 minutes total. The results? A 4 times improvement in blood pressure, a 40% lower stroke risk, better immune function, stronger muscles, and even a 12% boost in sleep quality. And here's the best part. People actually enjoyed it. That's far beyond what normal walking can do, as it pushes your lactic acid threshold LT or anaerobic threshold AT to occur as late as possible. Thus, you are getting more efficient in the use of oxygen. Step 3. How to do it the right way. Here's your easy guide. Warm up with 3 to 5 minutes of relaxed walking stretching. Then start your intervals. 3 minutes at a comfortable pace followed by 3 minutes of brisk walking, almost like you're late to catch a flight. Repeat for 5 rounds, then cool down with 3 to 5 minutes of easy walking. Use the talk test. During the fast walk, you should be able to talk, but not sing. That's the sweet spot. Set a phone alarm to remind you of your brisk sections. Next time, you'll know the spots without checking. And hey, share this video with your neighbors too, so their dogs don't bark when you suddenly speed up on the sidewalk. Step 4. Make it more challenging. Progression. Think of IWT like progressive overload, but for walking. In strength training, you gradually lift heavier weights to keep growing stronger. IWT does the same. As your body adapts, you increase the challenge. Try walking uphill during your fast intervals. Wear a light backpack or weighted vest, or extend your session to 40 to 45 minutes. Each upgrade keeps your body guessing and your results compounding. Your fitness keeps improving instead of hitting that frustrating plateau. Like James Clear says, tiny changes add up to big results. And IWT does the same with walking. Unlike punishing HIIT, IWT feels enjoyable. Your heart rate rises, your mood lifts, your brain feels sharper, and that enjoyment builds consistency. And consistency in the end is the real fat burner. Step 5. Who should try IWT? This method works for almost everyone. Hate the gym? Perfect. No equipment needed. Carrying extra weight? Unlike running, IWT won't punish your knees or hips. Older adults, Japanese studies found incredible health benefits, even for seniors. And if you're a daily walker who feels stuck, this will reignite your progress. It's low impact, but high return. So the next time you're tempted to chase that 10,000 step goal, remember this. It's not about how much you you walk, but how you walk. Interval walking training is joint-friendly, time-efficient, and backed by solid science. If you've been frustrated by stagnant results, this could be the simplest upgrade to your daily walk. Drop a comment below and let me know how your first session feels. And if you've ever hit that 10,000 step plateau, share your story. Let's make walking meaningful again.